Final relaxer day for 2024. So in this video I'm going to be relaxing my hair, and this is me trying to do my prep before relaxing the hair. So usually I do my prep a day before my relaxer day, but on this particular day I decided to do it the same day I was going to relax my hair. But I did the prepping in the morning, and then I relaxed my hair at night. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Alice and you're welcome to the channel. To my returning subscribers, you already know you are the best, and that's on period. You guys, this voiceover, I'm doing it the second time. I don't know, like, let me know what's your worst experience as a content creator, because this is not related to this video, but I just have to say, because I was editing this video and the voiceover stopped at 40 something seconds, and then the rest that I've recorded, like I've recorded about 8 minutes voiceover, and it stopped at 40 something seconds. The rest was mute. Like, I didn't realize that the mic had gone off. Like, oh my god, when I when I played it for me to listen to it, that's how I noticed it. That I felt like, oh my god, I can't believe I have to redo this voiceover again. You guys, I applaud content creators who not they try. I feel like crying, but I cannot cry. Like, oh my god. So back to our content. So this is me just prepping my hair, applying my shea butter to the already relaxed part and on my scalp as well, to even if I have relaxer overlapping, it won't have much effect on the already relaxed part, and then for my scalp to avoid burns as well. So I did a little bit of detangling, because you know how this thing is. From the video I made, that bad hair day video, it really had a lot of engaging comments, and I want to say thank you to everyone. I appreciate everybody. I saw some advice, some suggestion and all of that. I really appreciate everyone for that. Thank you so much for your constant support to this baby girl. I really appreciate. God bless you all. So there's a particular thing I want to address on that. So I think that somebody said, if you already realize that if your hair is already overdue, just go ahead to relax it. And then also, it's not necessary you wash the hair before you relax it. Yes, that I know, but me personally, I just like to wash my hair 2 weeks or 3 weeks before my relaxer day, so I can do a proper detangling of the hair and allow the scalp to rest until my relaxer day. Like, once I do that, I don't braid the hair, I just pack it until my relaxer day. And also bear in mind that relaxer is not a detangler. So even if you keep your hair till when you want to relax it, that, oh, the relaxer will soften the hair. After all, relaxer is meant to loosen the coils of your hair, but it's not a detangler, because if you don't detangle the hair very well and you apply relaxer on it, when it's time to wash it, it's gonna down on you. That's, my god, I did not detangle this hair very well. Like, you're really going to experience a lot of hair breakage, coupled with the fact that I had that experience on that, that my detangling routine I had then, and it still felt like I didn't do justice to that detangling after everything. Like, you know how the hair is still thick and everything, I still experienced some breakage on this relaxer day. So please note that relaxer is not a detangler. Okay, so this is the relaxer I'm going to be using after Lush hair relaxer disappointed me. Mm-hmm. It did not relax my hair very well, but I didn't experience any burns. That's just the only thing that will just make me give them thumbs up. Okay, but it did not relax my hair, so I'm going back to my mega growth, my go-to relaxer, and that's on period. And that my go-to relaxer for now. I mean, I think that's actually what will be my relaxer, except if I want to experiment on other relaxers. So yeah. So I already said it too. Mostly, I think mostly during the end of the year, I don't used to relax the hair myself. I always like want to experience some pampering. So I told my loved one to help me do the relaxing, and she was so gentle on my hair. That's you know me now. I'm a soft girl. I'm a soft baby girl. I don't like stress. Anything will stress me, I run away from it. So and she knows that. So she was really, really gentle on my hair, which I appreciate her for that. And yeah, so this particular hair is already, I've not even mentioned this. So this hair is actually 4 months post relaxer plus all those excessive under processed hair. So I got you guys, this girl has been doing a lot of funny things, but yeah, I'm here to give you guys all the gist because it's good to be experimenting, but please, I beg you, don't experiment this particular one because it's not a good thing. I personally, on a normal day, I not go do this kind of thing, but I don't want to have that processed hair. That's the reason why this happened. So I bought two mega growth relaxer. I didn't know that they've changed the package. This particular one, it was not much inside it, so I was like, and I bought just two. So I just felt like, you know what, let's just use it like that. Maybe it's going to be enough. Unfortunately for me, it was not enough. And guess what it was? Like I said, I did this relaxer day at night. It's like I couldn't go out to get another mega growth relaxer. So, and I have one more lush relaxer with me. Don't do this. Don't try this at home, please. I beg you, okay? So I use the lush relaxer like that with the mega growth. You guys, please, please, nobody should come for me. I beg you. On a normal day, I'm not gonna do this, but like I said, I don't want to have an under processed hair. I don't want one part is relaxed, the other part is not relaxed. So that's how I ended up using two mega growth relaxer and one lush relaxer. So remember the process of doing your relaxer. You must, have your timing, and then you start your application. Immediately you turn on your timer. So, which I did all of that. And yeah, so basically that's how this relaxer day went. Please, I beg you, don't mix two different relaxer. I think they even used to say it. Don't mix two different relaxer because it's not good. The content they use are not similar and might not go well with each other. You might get a reaction. It might, like, you might end up having a lot of tangles on your hair when it's time to wash it, and you're gonna be like, who sent me message? So please don't try it, okay? Don't try it, I beg you, in the name of God, okay? So yeah, this is it though. So this is how, and this is the first time in my entire life that I'm going to be doing this using different relaxer. Make una no try am, I beg you, okay? This is not an experiment. This is just, it just happened like that, okay? Ah, honestly, I don't even know why I bought just two. I should have just bought three, even though it's going to remain in him. But I just felt like since I didn't stretch my hair for long, so two relaxer should be enough. That was my thought, because the last stretch I did was I can't, is it 8 months post relaxer, 8 month stretch, and I used just three relaxers. So I felt like since this one is 4 month stretch, two relaxer should be enough. But unfortunately, the two relaxer was not enough, and I ended up using three relaxer. So yeah, if you've gotten to this part of the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, leave a beautiful comment down below. Have you ever tried this kind of thing that is not right? Let me know in the comment section. But then again, no try I don't tell you, man, because by the end of the video, you're going to be hearing the full gist on the result of using different relaxer. you guys. Anyways, this is me, oh, my okay. At this point, let me say this so that I'll not come and see anybody in the comment section saying, "Why did she remove the hand glove?" Okay. Um, at some point, it was just the hair was just too thick for her. The hand glove was not making it fast for her, so she had to remove it. And yeah, so that's it. But anyways, don't you don't need to worry. We are fine. Okay, it's just a one-time thing, and yeah. So this is the part. You see that part? That's the part receiving the lush hair relaxer. So this is the smoothing part, and it was going smoothly. Honestly, I was just chilling. You can tell from my look, and the hair was not even burning me at all. It was just everything was just going smoothly, and the following of the timer. So remember to always detangle your hair properly before you apply relaxer. No say I no tell you. You can see that part. She was like, Alice, how am I going to comb this part? Your hair is scaring me. Like, how am I going to, like, she was just, but anyways, we figured that out, because if you don't detangle that part, you go face them when you they wash your hair. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you where I'll be washing the hair. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.